Ah, travel planning, the art of turning dreams into itineraries. But let's be real, sometimes it feels more like herding cats, right? Endless searches, comparison tabs galore, and somehow you're still wondering if you got the best deal. Well, what if I told you that artificial intelligence can do all the heavy lifting for you? Yep, in just 5 minutes, you'll learn how to plan your next trip faster than it takes to argue over aisle or window seat. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Where do you even want to go? If you're stuck in a loop of, I don't know, somewhere warm, let AI inspire you. Tools like ChatGPT can suggest destinations based on your interests. For example, just type, "I love food, art, and history. What are some great travel destinations for me?" You'll get ideas faster than your best friend replying, "Just go to Paris." Seriously, not every trip has to be Paris, guys. Need visuals? Try platforms like Pinterest or even AI-powered trip planning apps like TripAdvisor AI, which can generate personalized destination lists complete with highlights and travel tips. Okay, so you've picked your dream destination, but now comes the tricky part. Creating an itinerary that's fun, balanced, and won't make you need a vacation from your vacation. Enter AI tools like Roam Around or Journey. Simply input details like, "I'm heading to Tokyo for 5 days and I love sushi, anime, and quirky museums." These tools will whip up a daily schedule that feels like it was made just for you because, well, it was. AI doesn't judge if you prioritize cat cafes over temples, your trip, your rules. Also, can we all agree that squeezing 17 landmarks into one day is basically cardio in disguise? Trust me, AI knows how to chill. Your feet will thank you. Next up, flights. You could spend hours comparing prices, or you could let AI handle the math. Hopper and Skyscanner use machine learning to predict when prices will drop. Think of them as your crystal ball for airfare, except way more accurate. Here's a pro tip. Ask ChatGPT something like, "What's the best time to book a flight to Italy in September?" You'll get solid advice without needing to deep dive into the Reddit rabbit hole. Now, where are you staying? AI tools like Airbnb's search engine are smarter than ever. Want a cabin in the woods with a hot tub and fast Wi-Fi? Done. Prefer something walkable to nightlife? Easy. For those who want to go the extra mile, apps like Booking.com's Genius AI can filter results based on what other travelers with similar tastes have loved. It's like getting hotel advice from that one well-traveled friend, without the humble brags. Now let's talk about exploring once you're there. Google Maps is great, but did you know you can use AI-powered tools like Roam to Rio to map out the best ways to get from point A to point B? It compares buses, trains, flights, and even Uber costs in seconds. Need translations or cultural tips? Apps like iTranslate or Google Lens are lifesavers. Just point your camera at a sign, menu, or, well, anything in a foreign language, and voila, instant understanding. It's like having a pocket-sized tour guide who doesn't expect tips. Foodies, this one's for you. Instead of winging it and ending up at a tourist trap, use AI to uncover hidden gems. ChatGPT can help you find the best local eats in Bangkok for under $10 or romantic rooftop dining spots in Barcelona. Pro tip: combine this with reviews from apps like Yelp or Zomato to double-check. You'll not only eat well, but also earn bragging rights for finding that amazing hole-in-the-wall bakery. Finally, packing. Yes, there's an AI for that too. Tools like PackPoint create customized packing lists based on your destination, length of stay, and planned activities. You'll never forget essentials like your phone charger, or overpack 6 pairs of shoes just in case. And for the chronically late packers out there, no judgment. AI can't stop procrastination, but it can make it more efficient. And just like that, your trip is planned faster than you can say bon voyage. With the power of AI, travel planning doesn't have to be stressful. It can actually be fun. Now over to you. What's your dream destination and which AI tools are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future travel hacks. Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Until next time, happy travels, and remember, the journey starts with a single click.